Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. It's Friday, May the 28th, Friday before Memorial Day long weekend. So typically, Fridays are slow news cycle day. Factor in Memorial Day long weekend, and you get a really slow news day. Nonetheless, quality over quantity. Got one great press release for you. It comes out of Apollo Solar Energy, trades on the OTC under ASOE. I really like this press release. A lot of great things. They announced a non-binding collaboration agreement with China's largest state-owned operator of wind and solar power plants to build solar power stations. Apollo is a refiner and producer of high-purity tellurium and other metals for the solar photovoltaic industry. This is a non-binding collab agreement with the specific company is China Energy Conservation Solar Energy Technologies. We're going to call them CECS, and they're going to build scaled thin film solar energy power stations. What I like about this is CECS intends to actually acquire these power stations through separate financing when they're done. So what does this mean? Is this a lot of fluff, or is this a great piece of news? Well, let's take a look at CECS. They're the largest operator of wind and solar power stations in China. 2, they're the largest investor and operator of solar photovoltaic technology in China. 3, what do they have to say about Apollo? They said they're a pioneer in the thin film solar photovoltaic space. And finally, the chairman of CECS a while back in a TV interview said, in his opinion, renewable energy sources, including wind and solar, will capture about 20% share of the nationwide energy demand in China by 2020. It's just a decade away. Where is it now? Under 1%. So you're looking at least a 20-fold increase according to the chairman of CECS, and you've got to take that seriously because of the size and magnitude of this company, which is also state-owned. So great news here. I like this. Now, one thing you got to be careful of, it's non-binding, so they haven't set specific parameters, specific goals, contract dates, volume numbers, and things like this, which means technically it could probably fall apart at any time. It probably means that Apollo is going to really have to perform under this contract for CECS to go all the way through, which they may do, but keep an eye on that. I like this news. Apollo closed yesterday at $3.20. 52-week low, $3. So they're just above the 52-week low. 52-week high, $6.25. So you're looking at pretty much a 50% discount to the 52-week high. Do your own due diligence, though. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a great buy. They may have had some skeletons in the closet, some negative events over the last 12 months that drove them down this price. Or maybe just the case up they didn't have a lot of news, and now they finally got it. Do your own due diligence. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. One great press release today. If you look for more great Chinese small cap news, get stuff to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. 3 things to do there. 1, watch this daily video or subscribe to it through our partners at iTunes, YouTube, Google Video, you name it, all syndicated throughout the best websites out there. 2, look for the best press releases of the day every day, coming out of about 300 of what we think are the best small mid-cap Chinese companies trading on North American exchanges. They're separated by industry right on the front page. And 3, get yourself into the directory where you can take a look at all these companies, succinct descriptions of each so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio, and you can filter that list by industry and exchange to make it really easy and reduce that number from 300 down to a number that you want. That's a wrap. Have a great day. To all our American friends, have a fantastic, have a safe Memorial Day long weekend. We'll see all of you on Tuesday, and have a great weekend.